On question number 3, at Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. On Monday temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius and it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Drop means temperature fall हो गया, कम हो गया. How much? By 2 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? If the initial temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius and on Tuesday it fall by 2 degrees Celsius, that is dropped. Drop means we have to represent it with minus sign. Drop कम को fall होने में को हम क्या represent करेंगे minus sign से, और रोज बढ़ने को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे प्लस साइन से. सो -5 -2 डिग्री सेल्सियस इक्वल टू -7 डिग्री सेल्सियस. यू कैन ऑल्सो सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ नंबर लाइन. First the temperature was -5 degrees Celsius, then it fall 2 degrees Celsius. So we have -2, -5, -2 equal to -7 degree Celsius. Now on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature on Wednesday rose by 4 degrees Celsius. दोबारा Wednesday due to sunshine it rose. वो बढ़ गया, टेम्परेचर बढ़ गया. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू टेक +4. व्हाट वाज द टेम्परेचर ऑन दिस डे? तो नाउ ऑन ट्यूसडे टेम्परेचर वाज -7. तो ऑन वेडनेसडे टेम्परेचर इट विल नाउ +4. Now it will increase. The temperature has been increased. It means +4. So -7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius plus minus 7 minus 4. It means 3. 7 is greater than -3 degree Celsius. Question number 4. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. There is one plane and plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. This is a sea level, and above the sea level a plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meter. At a particular point it is exactly above the submarine. At a particular point, this is a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. And now this is a sea level, and above the sea level a plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meter, and a submarine is floating at a height of 1200 meter below the sea level. Now we have to find what is the distance between the plane and the submarine floating. This is a vertical distance and this is a horizontal distance. So they are asking what is the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine floating. So what we will do, total distance we have to find. We have to plus, then plane flying height 5,000 meter, submarine floating depth 1200 meter, vertical distance between them 1200 plus 5,000, that is 6,200, that is 6,200 meter. Understood? Come on, question number 5. Mohan deposit ₹2,000 in his bank account. मोहन ने कितने डिपॉजिट मीन्स जमा किए, कितने रुपीस जमा किए? 2,000 in his bank account. And withdraws मीन्स निकाल लिए. He taken out, निकाल लिए उसने. How much he withdraw? ₹1,642 from it the next day. Mohan deposit 2,000 rupees in his bank account, and next day what he had done? He had withdraw 1,642 rupees the next day. If withdrawal of the amount from the account is represented by negative integer, withdrawal means अगर पैसे उसने निकाले हैं वो amount नेगेटिव इंटीजर से रिप्रेजेंट होता है, देन हाउ विल यू रिप्रेजेंट द अमाउंट डिपॉजिट? अगर निकालने का अमाउंट नेगेटिव से रिप्रेजेंट होता है, देन द अमाउंट डिपॉजिटेड विल बी रिप्रेजेंट बाय द पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. यस, यू नो द नंबर लाइन. इफ ऑन वन साइड वी आर हैविंग नेगेटिव, देन ऑन अनदर साइड वी हैव अ पॉजिटिव integer. Now find the balance in Mohan's account after his withdrawal. Now they are asking what is the balance. Balance का मतलब कितना बचा उसके अकाउंट में निकालने के बाद. Then of course they are asking कितना left हुआ. Then we have to do the minus. So Mohan deposit 2,000 rupees. He withdraws 1,642. So balance in Mohan account after the withdrawal will be ₹2,000 minus ₹1,642, that is ₹358. You can minus, you know how to minus 358. Understood?